Okay, let's go.
You're filming it?
Mm-hmm.
On the road, when we come back up here at some point on stairs like this, I want a picture of you like jumping in the air.
Okay. I can do that. Oh, it's not as big of a bridge as we initially expected. That's okay.
Pictures are so misleading.
I know, right?
It could also be more than one, too. I don't know.
Yeah, true. Jesus, a lot lower than I was expecting.
Hmm? Oh. Oh, it was tough to fall down there, my God.
Yep. Good thing this is a strong bridge, right?
I hope so.
It sucked to drop our phone down there.
You're recording still?
I am.
Just get like a picture of me and I'll screenshot it. But get like the water in the background.
So then I have to come to this side so I can. No, I didn't get a picture there, baby.
Oh, I thought you were just recording still.
I am, but I can take like still frames. There we go.
Hold on, I'll get one of you walking this way.
Sorry?
This way.
Okay. It honestly is such a great sound. I think the most difficult part was going on that uphill. Well,
The Twin Falls is
if
that
we
way.
go that way, we could take the Twin Fall loop back. It looks like. So we'll go this way.
Hold on. Love a good Love a good walkway.
Me too. Absolutely gorgeous. See, this is the type of stuff that I love to do. Nice, peaceful hikes, walks through the forest. Okay. So we should be like here-ish.
So keep going.
So yeah, just keep going. We could take the Twin Falls Bridge back to where we got to the ranger station. Love the fact that the path instantly splits. Do we go left or right?
No idea. Probably this way.
That would be my guess. If not, we're just going on an adventure, and there's nothing wrong with that. Oh. This is not the terrain that you are wearing the proper footwear for, but here we are.
Signs for the suspension bridge. Where are the signs for everything else?
Well, suspension bridge and 30-foot pool are that way. So if we just keep going this way, it should take us to the other bridge for the Twin Falls.
But why not have a sign? You have a sign for that stuff, but have a sign for the other stuff.
I don't know. 'Cause sometimes people do things and have signs for things that don't make sense. It's crazy, like, just how massive these trees are, too. Like, I don't even think the video does it justice.
It never does.
More wooden walkway, our favorite. Because at least you know this stuff is even and you're not gonna die. You might, but you'd have to hit a spot like that. Or that. But the good news is there's a ranger station, so obviously
These things remind me of like Predator, like the things that grab you.
Oh, from Badlands.
Yeah.
Yeah, I see it.
No, birds, make more noise.
Did you get your bird sound?
Mm-hmm.
Good. This is a lot of stairs. Oh man, oh man. It's awkward because like it's cool enough you need the sweater, but also it's warm enough that you're kind of getting a sweat on with all this stairs and stuff. It might have been like a bench. They may have like wanted to make a seat or something like that.
Have to get a picture on this bench up here.
Absolutely. Like get a selfie?
Like of us two, you mean?
Yeah. Or do you just want a picture of you?
No.
Okay. Well, we'll start with the picture of you. Ready? And then I think if I can't do that, so I have to stop it all. Go check out the extreme danger over here. Oh. Well, here's the rain that you were hoping for. I don't know if hoping for is the right term, but graciously accepting if it fell.
Yeah, that's more appropriate.
And there is a puppy. 2 puppies. Mm-hmm. Yeah. We should have thrown that rain jacket in the backpack for you, just in case.
This is why I didn't wash my hair.
Exactly. Me too, because, that was my concern. Not the fact that when I do wash my hair, it's so floofy that it doesn't do what I want it to do.
Thank you.
And the dedication to, run these. I don't think I could ever. It looks like there's some stairs down there, too. Oh, never mind. That's just a shortcut to the trail we're on. Oh, more stairs down. Yep. So we have that to look forward to. Oh, that's kind of cool. There's trees going out of that tree.
It's crazy size-wise.
Yeah. How old must that have been?
And did we get cut down?
It looks like it was burning here on this edge. So I'm guessing it just yeah, and another tree growing out of it. I mean, realistically, over time it breaks down. It'd be great fertilizer for new growth trees, so it makes sense. Oh, yeah, there's a sign it says Twin Falls, so we're in the right place. So there's the bridge back across, I'm guessing, and then the trail continues.
Twin Falls, is there?
I was hoping there'd be a map so we could see where, what we're looking at. We could walk over to the fence and get a closer look at the... Ooh. Oh, that's cool.
Oh,
You can't really see anything, but
I just want to slow it up. Looks so fresh and clean.
it does. But also, the undertow there, going over those falls, I don't think you'd have a good time. So I'm guessing if we continue downward, there'll be like a viewpoint, maybe?
Or the bridge is the viewpoint.
Well, which way do you want to go? Because if we keep...
Well, we're at the bridge. Let's just see what the bridge looks like what the view is.
Okay. Sorry?
I could just sit here listening to this.
Yeah, that's totally fair. Me too.
Oh, yes. I want to swim so bad.
Yeah, that water's so clear. And that sound.
Just looks like a natural hot tub, that little section right there.
Yeah, I could see it like a natural jacuzzi. You just have to hope that you don't get washed over the rest of the falls, but that last little bit doesn't look too bad. It looks fairly deep, so... And those stairs, they just look daunting. Oh, that's such a good picture. Just like, and the calm on the other side of the bridge. How often do you think people try to swim down there? I mean, like, right at the bottom of that waterfall, I don't think it would be too bad. Looks nice and deep, and the water doesn't seem to be flowing too fast. It's probably really cold, so... Alright guys, I don't know if you can hear me, but it's time to take on these super daunting stairs. Go way up there. Here we go. Guessing they used to have a path here they blocked off. For whatever reason. There's just so many. And I promise I'm not that out of shape. I just, had back surgery. So it's a lot. But also I'm out of shape, so. Might have to take a break.
It burns so good.
Might be the last set, I don't know.
My legs are gonna be jello.
Yeah, well, guess what? It was the last set. Oh. We should go check and see if that's a map. Make sure we're going the right way. It is a map. Yeah, that was the Twin Falls Bridge. So if we just follow this back up, we'll get to the right place. Oh. And we'll have completed our hike for the day. Possibly the trip. See, I think I would rather have those stairs spread out over a bit rather than just all in one straight line like that.
I kind of like it because it's over.
True. Just because we're on our way back doesn't mean the train's going to be easy.
Oh, look, more stairs.
Oh, joy. Just what I always wanted. We're going to be nice and sweaty for when we go hang out with Brooks. He's going to love that. Nurses might not, but yeah, and there's a lot of stairs again. Could you imagine like running this trail and then getting to this point? That's probably why they were running the opposite way. They ran down the stairs and then the up's gonna be a lot easier. These stairs don't seem as bad though. Probably gonna regret saying that, but
I find them harder because they're higher.
interesting. Okay, that's brave. Shortcut worked, but I'm not sure if it was worth it. Okay. 2-second break. Then there's the top, I think.
I have no silver box.
Do you want some water?
When we get there.
Okay. Just because I have some in the backpack, so. Okay. Let's get this thing out of the way. There's a bench. Oh. And she just keeps on going, leaving me all alone. Civilization, we did it. Oh, and the vehicle is right over there. Oh.